Hi, everyone. Welcome to our easy English listening and speaking practice for beginners. Hey, want to learn English while eating delicious Cambodian food?
Yes. Today, we're ordering at a real Khmer restaurant, and you can learn every word with us.
Let's go have some fun and some food. Hi, Tom. Sorry. I'm a little late.
It's okay. I just arrived too.
Really? Oh, good. I rushed because I didn't want you to wait.
Aw, that's kind. But you don't have to run.
Well, when I'm hungry, I run fast.
Same here. My stomach is dancing.
Dancing?
Yes, it goes like, boom, boom, feed me.
Tom, you are too funny. So, do you want to walk or take a tuk-tuk?
Walking is nice. It's not too hot today.
Yes, and a little walk will make the food taste even better.
True. Food always tastes better after exercise.
5 minutes of walking is exercise?
For me, yes.
Oh no, then we must walk 10 minutes.
Please don't kill me, Lina.
Oh, wow. Look at those mangoes.
Yes, Cambodian mangoes are the best.
I want to buy some later.
Sure, after lunch.
By the way, what does sabai mean exactly?
It means comfortable or happy.
So, Sabai Khmer restaurant means happy Khmer restaurant.
Yes.
Perfect. I want to be happy and full.
Don't worry, you will be both.
Oh, wow. This place looks beautiful.
Yes, I love the wooden walls and the plants.
It feels peaceful.
And I smell curry. Maybe fish amok.
My nose is very happy right now.
Let's make your stomach happy too.
Chum Reap Sewer. Welcome to Sabai Khmer. Table for two?
Yes, please.
Do you have a quiet corner table?
Yes, of course. Right this way.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Wow, this table is pretty. Look at the little flower.
It's so simple and cute.
Khmer decorations always feel warm.
I agree. And the music is relaxing.
It makes me feel like I'm in a village.
A village with very delicious food.
Oh my, look at all these dishes.
So many. I can't choose.
There's lok lok, fish amok, samlor korko.
Wait, what is samlor korko?
It's a traditional Khmer vegetable soup. Very healthy.
Healthy? Then maybe I should order it.
Maybe today you need something bigger.
You're right. So, what do you want to eat?
I love fish amok, but loklak also looks so good.
Want both?
Tom, I'm not a buffet.
True, but your stomach seems ready.
Maybe.
Really, which one are you leaning toward?
Maybe fish amok.
Okay, I think I'll choose beef loklak.
Good choice. Loklak is always safe.
Safe and delicious.
Hello, my name is Sokanthia. Are you ready to order? Almost. Can I ask a question? Sure. Which dish is popular today?
Today, the fish amok is selling very well. Many people like it. Perfect. Then I'll have the fish amok. Great choice. And for you?
I'll have beef lok lok, please.
Wonderful. And drinks?
Water for me, please.
Iced lemon tea, please.
Okay. Your food will be ready soon.
I'm so excited to try lok lok again.
Lok is always a good idea.
What about you?
Fish amok is my comfort food.
Comfort food?
Yes, it makes me feel happy and warm.
Like a food hug?
Exactly.
I need a food hug today.
Here is your beef lok lok, and here is your fish amok. Enjoy. Wow, this looks amazing. So colorful.
The smell is incredible.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything.
This is so good.
Mine is perfect. Very tender meat.
Try some of my amok.
Wow, this is so creamy and smooth.
I know, right? Want some lok too?
Yes, please. The sauce is amazing.
We should order this again next time.
Yes, maybe next week.
I'm so full.
Me too. My stomach is smiling.
My stomach is saying thank you.
Mine says, I need a nap.
Same.
Excuse me, So Kanthea, could we have the bill, please?
Yes, of course. One moment.
Okay, Lina. I'll pay this time.
No, Tom. I'm paying today.
Are you sure?
Yes, I want to say thank you for helping me this whole week.
That's very sweet. Thank you, Lina.
You're welcome.
Next time, I'll treat you.
Deal.
That was really good.
I'm happy you enjoyed it.
What do you want to do now?
Maybe take a walk or buy some mangoes.
Yes, mango time.
You love mango too much.
Is that possible? Can someone love mango too much?
Maybe not.
Okay then, let's go.
Let's go. Did you enjoy learning English with us today?
Then like, share, and subscribe for more fun conversations.
And don't forget to practice speaking every day. You can do it.